Hi, teacher. My name is Abigail Sanchez Flores, and I'm from the 8001 group. And I'm going to explain reporter speech. Reporter speech is when you are trying to uh, report something that someone else said, and it's totally like a quote. If I wanted to say something that somebody said, but exactly the way he said it, it would be a quote. But in this time, of course, if you trying to explain it or tell it in a different way, you have to use a reported speech. In this case, for example, I have a very explained list that how this works. First of all, we have present simple. For example, it would be she eats lunch, and this is something that somebody else said it to me, and this is totally like a quote. And when I try to report it, it would be in past simple, like she said she ate lunch. The next one, it would be the present continuous, and an example, it's he is painting, and for report it becomes past continuous, like he was painting. And for present perfect, past simple, and past perfect, the reported speech, it would be like past perfect, just like that, for the three of them. In the case of past perfect, it stays the same way. Like, for example, present perfect, they have had a shower, and it's just like had plus past participle. The next one, it would be like past simple, and this time it's he took my photo. In reported speech, it's like he had taken my photo. And for past perfect, as I said, it's just it stayed the same way. But for future, it's in this case future simple. For example, would be she will go. But when I want to use reported speech, and this will becomes in would. So it would be like she would go. So this is only the examples I had for this moment. And report speech, it's used for present, past, and future. I hope this is some way to explain it. Thank you for listening.